How to view your YouTube history on PC. Go to www.youtube.com in a web browser. Click History, it's in the left column. Search for a video. If you are looking for something in particular, type a name or keyword into the Search Watch History box near the top right corner of the page. The history list only shows videos you have watched while signed into YouTube. Click one of the other history options in the right column. Search history, comments or community to see other YouTube activity. There is also a problem with this video, so ask about the comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comment bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for any updates.